Good morning, you guys. Picking you up a bit differently and later here. We are already at the client's house. As I said, it's just been a bit of a rushed morning. So anyways, nothing's too different. I'm going to show you guys the before. I'm going to take care of the car and then the after. It is a beautiful car, so you guys should like what you see. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get the video started. So there you have it. It is the BMW i7. Really cool car, very spacious, a ton of electronics. And if you guys did see, it is the one with the movie theater screen, I guess you could call it, that comes down in the back. So it's like a chauffeur style type of car. Anyways, it's a maintenance client. It should take right under 2 hours, and I will see you guys with the end result. Alright, you guys, that is a wrap on the first detail of the day. That was a BMW i7 again. Maintenance client. Car is never in too bad of a condition. It's garage kept, and sometimes it has dog hair, sometimes it doesn't. Took right under 2 hours, and we're now headed to the next detail. Maintenance client as well. This car is really straightforward. The client does have 2 kids, but I guess they're well behaved because the car really doesn't ever get too bad. So that's a great thing for us because kids are like the #1 problem for a detailer sometimes, is what it seems. But yeah, so anyways, it is a Volvo. So we were 45 minutes away from the initial detail, which I didn't know when scheduling it. That's a bit further than I like to travel from detail to detail, but it's all right. It's gonna get a bit slow now that we're getting into the colder season. So anyways, we're about 15 minutes away, and I will pick you guys back up when we get there. All right, you guys, just arrived at the next location. Again, maintenance client, straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, you guys, as you can see, nothing too crazy. This detail definitely takes right under an hour and a half usually. Yeah, it's a bit chilly, so I'm definitely going to try to knock it out, and I will see you guys with the final product. that is a wrap on that Volvo XC70 in detail of the day. I believe that's all for today. I was talking with a customer about a possible third detail for today, but it's not looking like it's gonna happen, so I'm not even gonna think about it. I'm almost back home now. I'm super hungry. I had a very light breakfast, so I'm gonna grab something to eat, and then I will pick you guys back up in a second. A few hours later, and we are now headed to the gym. I'm not exactly sure what I'm working out yet, but you guys will see in a second. It's about 9:30 p.m. I like to go when it's a bit cleared up in the gym, just so nobody thinks I'm recording them and the machines are free. So with that being said, I'm gonna let the car warm up a little as it is 37 degrees out, and then I will catch you guys in the gym. That's a wrap on that workout. About an hour and a half later, what I showed you guys today was the third set of each workout. Did bicep, shoulders, and core. Felt good because I've missed a couple days, so always feels good to get back. Makes me regret missing a couple days because you just feel like you fall behind a little bit. But regardless, we still got it in. To give you guys a little update on the rest of this video, it's supposed to be in the 20s tonight. So what that usually means is my water tank, the water in it is gonna freeze. Around 12 p.m. the sun comes out. Well, it comes out earlier, but around 12 p.m. it's not freezing temperature anymore, which is 32 degrees. So at that point it starts rising to 36, 38, whatnot. So we have two details scheduled tomorrow. At the moment it's at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. but I think what's gonna happen is if they can both push it back, I'm gonna try to go for 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. so we're hoping for that. Sorry, I'm short of breath. And yeah, so hopefully two details tomorrow, and then I'm gonna pass out flyers at night. But as far as tonight goes, that is a wrap. I'm gonna quickly go to the store, grab a couple things, and then call it a night. So that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, you guys, it's super windy, quite cold, but we're going to check if our water is frozen or not. I'm gonna show you guys as I see it too. So what I do is I just give it a good push. It looks like it's moving. So now what I'm gonna do is start up my generator, see if my pressure washer works as well, make sure that's not frozen, make sure there's no water frozen in the hose, and if we're good to go, then we've got a detail today. So I'll be back in a second. But yeah, it looks like my water is moving in waves, so that means it shouldn't be frozen. We'll see if the machines are or not. All right, you guys, so as you can see, the water is flowing right. And if you guys did see the previous video of me washing my car, it's the Maserati GT. I'm going to quickly do that before heading over to my first detail of the day because it's quite bad right now. I'll give you guys a quick look. It has like water spots on it and whatnot because I had an incident where my cover was blown off by the wind. We've had really high winds, and when I went to put my cover back on when I got home, it was wet, so it left a lot of water spots. But my car is ceramic coated, so they should come off quite easily. Yeah, it'll take a quick 30 minutes. I can do that before I leave. And yeah, I will pick you guys back up in a second. Just finished washing the Maserati. Now I'm gonna wrap it or cover it just so it can stay clean. I'll let you guys see it quickly. So I leave the cover in the back in the trunk. It barely fits in there. It's a very tight fit, look. But it fits. So I'm gonna take this out, cover it back up, and then I will catch you guys in a second. And this is what it looks like covered. Usually does the trick. Like I said before, it has blown off before, and that's what caused the water spots. So I do have a tie that I could throw underneath the car and hold it down. And if I come back and it is off, I will definitely be doing that. But anyways, headed to our detail. It's about a 30-minute drive. Basically a full detail. Our first headliner cleaning on the channel. Headliner shampoo. So that should be pretty cool. And I will see you guys when I get there. Quick update, you guys. We have a exterior wash thrown in the mix. Same location, so doesn't change the plans up too much. And it works out because the same person paying for the full detail, it is their car who's getting quickly washed. So we're gonna throw that in the mix. I believe I've shown it on the channel before. It is the Cadillac CTS-V, the all black super loud car. So it's a quick wash, takes about 30 minutes. So before we do the full detail on a Hyundai SUV, we have a quick exterior detail on a Cadillac. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys quickly. 5 minutes away from the location, and I will pick you guys back up when we get there. Alright you guys, the car just arrived. It is a Cadillac CTS-V, as you guys just saw by the previous clip. It is super loud. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the before quickly. I already started spraying the engine, but you guys will still see what it looks like. So that's the before, and as I said before, it's just getting an exterior detail, so it won't take more than about 30 minutes, and I will see you guys with the afters. Alright you guys, that is a wrap on this Cadillac. Like I said, right around 30 minutes. As you guys heard, someone honked at me to get my attention, so I went ahead and went to them quickly to talk about prices. But yeah, so right around 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and move this car, and the next car is ready for the full detail. It is this Hyundai that's parked right there. So yeah, I will see you guys when I switch these two cars around with the befores. The Hyundai Tucson, the name of the SUV, is parked in the correct spot now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the befores. What we have to do with this car is a standard interior and exterior detail. Both front seats are gonna get shampooed and leather conditioned, and then the headliner is gonna get shampooing as well. The headliner is gonna be like spot treatments. There's 3 spots that need to get touched up. The left and right have water damage, and then in the back, a tire smeared on the headliner. So the car should take right around 2 hours. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the befores now. So as you can see, quite a bit of work to do. Nothing too crazy, just normal build-up in a car that hasn't been detailed in a while or ever. Not a big deal though. I've dealt with way worse. This car really isn't in too bad of a condition anyways. It's a newer car, so I know it's gonna clean up nicely. And yeah, should take right around 2 hours, probably a little more because of the seats and the headliner. And I will see you guys with the final product. So a little over 2 hours later, that is a wrap on this Hyundai Tucson, one of those two. First time cleaning one of these. It is a newer car. In my opinion, it turned out looking great. Hopefully here in a second, I will grab the customer's reaction. You guys will see for yourself what the customer thinks about these details. I'm gonna try to incorporate this more in the future. So let's see how it goes for the first time around. So I just watched the clip back. I see what I need to do differently next time. So I didn't actually get a customer's reaction for you guys in this video. The sound was completely off. I should have known better, but I had my phone recording from a pretty far distance, so I didn't think about how being in a garage the sound kind of just like echoes, so you couldn't really hear what was being said. So yeah, there will be no reaction in this video, but I hope you guys did enjoy the details in this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and then if you have any feedback, leave it in the comments below. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.